Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We're going to cover the DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD pairs. But firstly, jump over to the economic calendar here, have a bit of a look, see what we've got coming up today. So again, lots and lots of red news coming in on today. We've got non-farm employment change here coming in towards the beginning of the New York session. Around the middle of the New York session as well, we have some more red news there. Fed funds rate, FOMC statements coming out towards the end of the session there as well. So yeah, just again, overall need to be very careful because as we see from yesterday's price action, we can see what red news does. So as we were anticipating, we did see that drop in the price action yesterday. But then basically as soon as the US news come in, we saw a big bullish impulse from the Dixie coming up, taking highs, filling imbalance and sweeping major highs there and there on the 15-minute and then since consolidating through that area. So yeah, very much strong bullish intent there. If we jump out here on the 4-hour, just see if it's made any changes. So as we were discussing the other day, we have seen a we did see this A, B, C correction, and then we were seeing it sort of pull up. We saw this pull back, and now we've seen it push back up again. So basically still continuing on this theory that we are going to be pushing higher. We were anticipating maybe a push down into this imbalance area here, but as we see, we didn't quite get there yesterday, and it seems to have sort of pushed. So basically overall today, maybe just looking for a continuation long here. So looking at this impulse, we can see here on the 15-minute, we do have a large amount of imbalanced price action here. And other than that, we haven't taken this high here. We have taken the next two highs, though, of liquidity, and we're sitting just below with this high here. So basically, we see this pull down, this little bit of consolidation here. So what we could be seeing is this push up, consolidation in this area, and then another leg up, consolidate, and then obviously another leg up again, and getting those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s impulses up into our next key areas. So looking here, this Asia range is quite tight and consolidated here at the moment. We are building a bit of trend line liquidity through here, as we can see. So, basically what we could be looking for is a sweep of that liquidity to go long, or we see a break and a retest. Sorry, break and retest there to go long from there, from that trend line, or even sweeping some liquidity off that trend line to go long out of that area. Euro USD. So basically Euro USD, as yesterday we were anticipating to possibly pull down into this area before going long. We obviously didn't get that pull down. We did see it come straight up, fill those two higher time frame imbalance areas that we had marked out on the 4-hour here. So we can see we had both of those areas marked out there and there. Price action came up, filled both of those areas, tapped perfectly into this higher time frame block up here, and then obviously immediately sold off from that area. So basically looking for, again, as a flipped version of the Dixie, we see the A, B, and C here, and now we're looking for a continuation lower based on the fact that the 4-hour and the daily has been so bearish and continuing to go bearish. So basically at the moment looking for possible continuations short. That's what I would be looking for. It's too strong probably not to go against at this point in time. So we can get rid of these areas here as they've been taken, and we can see clearly here that there is a massive imbalance area here, which we may end up returning back to. So there is probability we could come back to that area before selling off. But I think the higher probability is to just look for any confirmations to see us look to go short. Again, we can see this trend line starting to appear through here like this. So we may see something like this happen with a liquidity sweep into the Asia high and then go low, or we could see a break and a retest to go short from there. But basically, unless we get some confirmations to go long, I would definitely be looking for short confirmations to continue on here. GBP USD. So basically, again, saw this area that we were looking for. We marked this out on the 4-hour, same as Euro. Obviously didn't get up into this second area here, but definitely did take out this first area of imbalanced price action, and then has started to return low. But as we see here, it is still bullish on the 4-hour. We are still making higher highs and higher low structure here. So at this point in time, we have this low, we pulled up to this high, we had this pull back, we had this pull up. Now I've come down and actually broken that low through there. We can see there from that area that has been taken. So now we've swept that. So what we could be looking for is maybe a retrace into that extended wick there to go short. But again, we just need to wait and see those confirmations come in. But basically at the moment, probably the same with the Euro and the Dixie. Let's just work on the bias that we're probably going to be going short again. So we can see here we've built a nice little bit of trend line liquidity through here on the top of the Asia there, with the Asia high. So what we're possibly looking for is a possible reach up to go short, or a possible break and a retest for today. Righto, guys, thank you very much for jumping on today. Again, as always, this week is littered with red news, so please trade accordingly and manage your risks accordingly. I look forward to seeing you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.